These started out as ordinary book pages. All you need is 5 minutes and a few supplies, and you can create your own. We're just going to use watercolors, a marker. I'm using a white paint pen, and a brush. And then you need your old book pages. So I'm going to start out just by making lines and marks on my book page. This is great if you have any like chalky watercolors. It works really, really well. And we're just making just blocks of color, lines, circles, triangles. You can do very, very simple shapes. And when these dry, they're beautiful as is, but I like to add just a little bit of mark making with white or with whatever color you want. I recommend maybe that if you're not very comfortable with color, that you start out maybe with color families. So like blues, purples, greens, for cool colors, and then for warm colors you can do reds and pinks and oranges and yellows, or you can just do a bunch of different ones too. I'm going to show you me decorating about 2 of them so you can kind of see how that looks, but I just love how these turn out. They're so like beautiful with all the patterns. They kind of remind me of really beautiful ornate rugs that have beautiful mark makings. Yeah, but they're really fun, and it's such a great way to use book pages that you just have hanging around. If you make altered books like me, you definitely have a stack of these, or even if you love just books in general and use them in your art, you definitely have some sticking around. This page is from a Reader's Digest book. I find that the older books take on watercolor really, really well. So that's what I'm using, but it's really fun. I mean, just keep it really, really simple with your marks, mix up the colors, just have fun and let yourself just relax. And I find this a super meditative kind of practice too. And it's so much fun. You can come up with so many cool things, and it makes beautiful collage paper. It looks great on a page or on a tag. There's just so many cool things that you can do with this paper. So I hope you enjoy it, and remember, we can make art just from ordinary things that we have looking around. Everyday things can make art extraordinary. Alrighty, friends, I'm just going to finish up the last couple of marks on this page. I'm using a white marker, but you could use a black marker for beautiful contrast. I mean, there's so many cool things that you can do too. This is a white acrylic marker, and I have so many ideas for how I want to use this paper. So make sure that you're following me, that you're subscribed, so you can see all those ideas come together. But I love just making these videos for you guys so that you can just use the things that you have at home and just create beautiful art. So I hope you enjoy this. I love the way that these turned out, and I can't wait to give them away.